500,000 mainland visitors to spend Golden Week in Hong Kong. Golden Week 黃金週啦 ，mainland visitors 就內地嘅旅客。The 8 days centered on National Day and the Mid-Autumn Festival holidays will bring more than 500,000 mainland visitors into the city and more than 300 million Hong Kong dollars from tour groups alone, the tourism sector says, even though arrivals in the first 2 days were down from last year. National Day. This is 國慶日啦 ，National Day。Mid-Autumn Festival 就中秋節啦。Tour groups 就係旅行團 ，tour groups。The tourism sector says tourism sector 就係嗰個旅遊嗰個界別 ，the sector。Even though arrivals in the first 2 days were down from last year, down were decreased. Down 呢個簡單啲嘅講法，即係話已經減少咗。From last year, down from last year， 即係 were decreased compared to that of last year， 相對舊年嚟講減少咗 down， 或者你增加咗就話會 up 咁樣已經得。呢個比較上簡單嘅英文，但係好清楚。Hong Kong Association of Travel Agents Chairman Michael Wu Siu Liang said that between 520,000 and 550,000 mainland visitors were expected to come to Hong Kong during the holiday period, up 7 to 10% over last year. Despite the global credit crunch, visitor numbers last year were up 9.5% from 2006. 咁呢個係嗰個travel agent 嗰個會啦，個 chairman 啦，were expected to come 會預計expected to come 預計會嚟香港啦 ，up 7 to 10% 即係 increased 增加咗，比較 up over last year 比較舊年係多7至10% 啦。Despite 就小心 despite 就冇 off 噶啦嚇 ，in spite of， 但係你一用 despite 呢個字咧就冇 off 噶啦。雖然就 despite global credit crunch global 全球性 credit 就信貸 crunch 咧就係俾人壓過即係 crunch， 但係呢個 crunch 嘅意思係危機、金融即係信貸危機 credit crunch global 全球性嘅信貸危機。Although more mainland visitors are visiting the city under the individual visit scheme, Wu said local travel agents were receiving 70 to 80% more tour groups this year. 雖然咧多啲人咧係嚟香港咧係用呢個自由行啦 ，individual visit scheme individual 當然係個人啦 ，group 就係團體啦，individual visit scheme 係個計劃啦，個人探訪計劃呢個個人遊計劃啦。咁但係 tour groups 咧其實咧都係多咗70至80% 嘅。Hong Kong Travel Industry Council Executive Director Joseph Tong Yeo Chung estimated that an average of 8,000 mainlanders will arrive daily in tour groups. He expected each visitor to spend an average of 4,000 to 5,000 Hong Kong dollars over the period. The 8 days would bring up to 320 million Hong Kong dollars into the city from tour groups. 呢個係個旅遊 嗰個議會Hong Kong Travel Industry Council 旅遊議會嗰個幹事Executive Director 係個主席啦。Joseph 董耀中 estimated 預計 estimate 估計 an average 平均咧會有8000個mainlanders 咧就係即係話內地人啦，即係有時我哋香港人都叫 Hong Kongers 係咪？我內地人 mainlanders 咁呢個係講內地人咁嘅意思係 mainlanders will arrive daily 會每日咧會有8000個內地人咧會嚟香港，係用團體嘅方法嚟香港嘅。She expected each visitor to spend 即係每一個 visitor 咧差唔多會花4000至5000蚊啦。你嚟香港嘅期間咁所以8日咧就會增加咗咁多錢咁樣啦。Who said hotels were doing well with an average occupancy rate of 85%? Many 3-star hotels have as much as a 90% occupancy rate. Most mainland visitors chose to stay in these hotels. Hotel occupancy in the first half of the year was 74%, down 9 percentage points from a year earlier. Hotels were doing well. 呢個就係簡單嘅英文講法，但係其實好清楚 doing well 都即係好理想啦。咁其實即係就係講嗰個房個出租率啦，當然係doing well。咁平均嘅 occupancy rate 呢個係房間佔有個 occupancy 啦，入住啦occupancy rate 入住率 occupy 咁就佔有啦 occupancy 咁就係嗰個入住率係 85% 咋。3-star hotels 就係3星酒店。3-star 呢個咧 3 又係 noun star 又係 noun 咧係形容個 hotels 咁呢個咧係個 star 字就冇 s 㗎啦即係冇係佢係用個最原始嗰個 form 所以叫 3-star hotels。Most mainland visitors chose to stay in these hotels 選擇 chose to stay 咁呢個選擇當然係past tense choose 咁就係 chose to stay in these hotels. Although the number of mainland visitors entering Hong Kong on September the 30th and October the 1st was down by 40,000 compared with last year, Wu was confident that the number would pick up. The number of mainland visitors will reach a peak on October 4th, 5th, and 6th. People tend to spend the first few days on National Day activities and to celebrate Mid-Autumn Festival at home. 咁即係話9月30號同埋10月1號咧，嗰個旅客咧，佢就係減少咗嘅。down by 減少咗4萬個人嘅。compared with last year， 記住 compared with 比較。Who was confident 好有信心 number 會 pick up 呢個 pick up 咧即係會追得上會 pick up 啦本來係好少本來好慢追上嚟 pick up會 reach a peak 會去到最高峰 peak 因為高峰咁解啦頂點4號5號6號